friends, welcome back to AzifCreations again. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. So today we'll see a very popular Iftar recipe. This recipe was originated from the Arab and was spread worldwide. Our Hyderabad is famous for this recipe for its unbeatable taste. And yes, you know that it's Haleem. So today we'll see how to make chicken Haleem using simple methods. So let's get started.
The ingredients are half kg boneless chicken. I have boiled it and shredded it like this. 250 grams of oats, 4 tablespoons of ghee, cloves, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, black pepper and 4 green chilies, 250 grams of curd, a handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves. So let's get started. So now in a cooker, add 1.5 liters of chicken broth or water. I have added little water to my broth so that I'll get 1.5 liters. So now into this add the oats and all the spices, cloves, cinnamon sticks, pepper and cumin seeds. Mix it nicely. Keep on mixing it until it comes to boil. So after the oats get cooked nicely, its consistency is this. It looks like this. So now mix it nicely and add the shredded chicken. So you can even use mutton. I have used chicken over here. You can even use mutton. So along with the chicken, add the green chilies. Now you can break and also add the chilies. That's your option, guys. I am using the whole chili because it's gonna get mashed anyways when you're gonna mash it. So now mix it for a minute. Mix it nicely. Combine everything together. And now with the masher, mash all the things nicely. All the chicken pieces and green chilies, the spices and everything should get mashed nicely. Very nice aroma. On the other hand, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and add a bit of turmeric and chili powder. I am adding a very little turmeric and chili powder because I am using masala oats. If you are using plain oats, adjust it to your taste. So now add a handful of fried onions and saute it for a minute. Add the mint leaves and coriander leaves and mix it nicely. So at this point, everything should get combined. Oops! I forgot to add ginger garlic paste. Okay, it's not an issue. We'll add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and combine everything together. Yeah, mix everything together like this. Mix. So now, after sauteing it for a couple of minutes, add the curd. And now you have to mix it really well, guys. Yeah, mix it nicely. So this is how it looks after you mix it for a couple of minutes. So now let's add in our mashed chicken mixture or mutton mixture. Yeah. Yay, we added it. So now we have to mix it nicely. Everything should get combined and you get a very nice aroma, guys. Yeah, all the chilies and all the spices gets combined with the curd and the fried onions, gets mixed well, and a very nice flavor comes out from the Haleem. So it's really healthy, guys. So let's start garnishing. So now I have taken cashews, fried cashews. You can even break them and add. That tastes good. So now a bit of fried onions. Yeah, bit of fried onions and some coriander leaves. You can even serve this haleem with a boiled egg. Yeah. So that's your choice. You can cut them into desired shape and serve it nicely.
So our delicious and tasty chicken haleem is ready. So let's taste it. Wow! It's really awesome, guys. It's melting in my mouth actually. So please try this recipe at home and enjoy our iftar moments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.